Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a quick video on how to swap your tokens directly through Ledger. So I'm sure you guys have seen this. Transactions aren't going through, everything's way backed up. Well, actually this kind of cleared up just a bit, so actually transactions are clearing up a little more. But before I started this video, this whole entire field was filled up, well, because the Bitcoin price today literally tanked about 20-30%, and everyone's trying to sell a portion of their Bitcoin. And on top of that, it was ridiculous. The fees were like 40-50 bucks. They were even more last night. Last night they were almost 100 bucks. Some of the Ethereum transactions were about 100 bucks. Right now they're 10 bucks and 6 bucks accordingly. But basically, we're going to show you on Ledger directly. This is how you can avoid it. So if you have your money stored directly on Ledger, make sure you have the latest upload on your Ledger device. It's like 2.14 at least in order to have the swap. And what you do is you go under your accounts and you select, well, it's not under this one. Actually, it is Manager. I'm going to go ahead and unlock my device so you guys can see this. So first you enter in your Ledger information and you're going to put in your PIN code and then you're going to allow it through. So you do have to download the Exchange app on your Ledger device. Oh, by the way guys, if you guys are new to this channel, we teach you guys how to make money in cryptocurrencies, how to use cryptocurrencies, and how to transact with them and be your own banker. So we're going to go ahead and show you in this video how to go ahead and download the app we are talking about. It's called Exchange. So just start typing in Exchange and we already have it installed. You guys can see it's already installed under here and you can see, okay, great, it's installed. So now you're going to be able to go to swap and you just go straight into swap, and this will allow you to sell your cryptocurrency. So you can sell Bitcoin, Ethereum. Well, I mean, if you wanted to, you can, I guess you could sell a stable coin. But you literally just select the account you want to sell. You can say, I want to send the maximum amount. I'm not showing the amount that's in my Ledger. But anyways, you can select the amount. It'll easily allow you to swap it for any asset you want. So you can say, I want to sell my ETH for Bitcoin. And then you can just say, okay, great, I'll exchange that. I'll do my max amount. And you just hit exchange. And it'll automatically allow you to exchange it. Well, just so you guys can see it, we'll do the Bitcoin so you guys can see it. I don't have much in here right now, so how do I unhide? Here we go. So we will go ahead and unhide it for you guys. Send the max. Boom. Okay. So now we're going to say I want to buy some ETH. So we'll say we'll do ETH. It's obviously not enough. And then you hit exchange and then it'll pop up and it'll show like an Ethereum gas fee. It'll be like $7 or something like that, or maybe less, just depending on what the fees are. But this will save you from transacting in fees. So instead of having to send it to an exchange and have to hope it goes through, you're exchanging it directly. So this is how you can actually sell your cryptocurrency directly from your Ledger wallet straight onto the market or exchange it for a USDC or a stable coin. So guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and we will go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Oh, by the way, see, look, the transactions are packing up again. Here it is, Proverbs chapter 26, verses 1, like snow in summer or rain in harvest, honor is not fitting for a fool. Guys, be wise, be smart, be wise. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.